I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing billing issues with your Netflix account, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your Netflix account and navigate to the account section. Verify that your payment method is up to date and hasn't expired. Step 2. Review billing history. In the same account section, look for billing details to review your billing history. This will help you identify any discrepancies or missed payments. Step 3. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, click on Update Payment Info and enter the new details. Make sure to save the changes. Step 4. Check for account holds. Sometimes Netflix may place a hold on your account due to payment issues. Look for any notifications in your account settings that indicate a hold. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after checking everything, reach out to Netflix customer support. They can provide specific insights into your billing issues. I hope these steps help you get your billing issues resolved quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.